We're pretty excited today because it's our 10th video.
And we also crossed 200 subs and we're having a giveaway.
And we're answering questions.
So we asked you guys to ask us questions on Twitter, Instagram or Facebook, and we answer any 10, and the best two ones
We'll
win something, which we've already showed. So
Yeah, we'll win those awesome mugs, the Baking Bad ones. We already showed them on our social media, so...
But the first question is from Shivani. She asks us, what do you like the most about baking?
So yeah, for me, I think it's a pretty general question. It's just something I like doing. I've always liked baking. I've always liked eating, so that's how my love for baking came into play. Desserts have always fascinated me, and I just like it. When I'm upset and down, I bake and I feel better about it. So yeah, it's one of my favorite things to do.
The second question is from Shreya Jadhav. She asks us, is there any substitute to eggs? So it depends on what you're baking, and actually there are no substitutes, to be really honest. If you're making a macaron or a meringue, you cannot substitute anything.
Yeah,
for
because
eggs.
egg is the main ingredient.
The egg whites.
There's
Yeah,
nothing you can
that's
do
the
about
body.
it.
And if you're making cakes, brownies, there are quite a few substitutes. In fact, we've also used eggless recipes just so that more of y'all can try it out.
You can try using yogurt as a base.
Yeah, and obviously there's baking soda and
Baking
powder.
soda and vinegar is used many of the times for texture.
So yeah, there are quite a few things. And the next question is from Prerna Gauri Sarya, just to make
Different Prerna. Not this Prerna, different Prerna.
So again, she had asked us if we can make eggless macarons, so I guess I've covered that up in the previous question.
Yeah.
And another question she had was, while baking a sponge cake, the dough had risen properly, but suddenly after some time it went down.
So there can be many reasons for this. She was making a sponge cake, and basically baking is pretty scientific. You have to follow the recipe exactly, and that's why a lot of people are scared to bake because they think they'll mess it up. And my friends are always asking me, whenever I bake, something or the other tends to go wrong. What's the reason for that? You can't really wing it when it comes to baking. You have to follow it precisely, like the temperature, the quantities, the amount of mixing. If you undermix or overmix, that can cause problems. So it can be one of many things. Just try to be as precise as you can in following the steps, and it should work out for you.
Next question is from Ilasur, which is, I guess, Rushali backwards.
Yeah.
So yeah, she asks us, what dessert to make would you suggest to the laziest person on the planet? Rephrasing it, which is the easiest, least time and effort consuming one.
So I love this question because I'm literally the laziest person you can meet. I feel this question, Rushali. I feel it. Okay. So I really wanted to answer this one, and I was like, Prerna, I'm answering this question. So yeah, there are so many recipes you can make which are super, super, super easy. Like a mug cake, the kind you make in the microwave. It takes like 1 minute to bake. You can try one of those, and that reminds me, you can bake so many things in a mug. Like you can bake cookies, you can bake brownies, cakes, so many things. And they're usually only 3-4 ingredients, probably ingredients you have in your house.
And just like 5 minutes long. the
Yeah,
recipe.
it takes literally 5 minutes, like 2 minutes to mix everything and like 2 minutes to bake it. That's pretty much it. And it tastes amazing. So you can try one of those.
The next question is from Nikita Vaidya. She asks us, where can I find Greek yogurt in Bombay? Are there any substitutes? So yes, you can find Greek yogurt in the higher supermarkets like Nature's Basket, but it's pretty expensive. So substitutes, yeah, I guess you can just put your yogurt in a muslin cloth and drain off all the liquid and use it as Greek yogurt. It's pretty much the same thing.
Yeah, it shouldn't affect your recipe too much. So yeah, it'll work out.
The next question is from, we don't know who actually, to be honest.
Yeah.
And the question is, does baking in the microwave make the product different in shape and texture and taste from oven baked ones?
So yeah, there are a lot of things you actually can't make in the microwave because different scientific principles are used in both the appliances. Microwaves use microwaves to cook the dish, and basically the water in the product, mostly microwaves are used for heating, right? So the way they heat the dishes, the moisture in the food, that is heated and it evaporates, and that's how the product gets hot. So it's a totally different process from what an oven does. And so there are many things you can't make in a microwave at all. But even if you could, we would always prefer to use an oven. It would definitely give you a better texture.
Why would you want to have dry cakes anyway?
Yeah, microwaves will dry out your cakes. It's not a good idea, I would say.
Yeah. So there's Manal, who's actually asked us quite a few questions and legit ones, like good questions.
Yeah, we really appreciated
So
that.
yeah,
Thanks
thank
for
you.
that.
Thanks a lot for that. So her question is there any way to make chocolate chips from a chocolate bar? So no, you can't do that. But because to be honest, chocolate chips are quite different from chocolate bars and compounds because they use different fats so that it doesn't melt as quickly as chocolate. So yeah, you can replace chocolate chips with chocolate chunks in recipes,
Yeah.
but you can't make chocolate chips out of a chocolate bar. Then the next question is from again Prerna. I don't know, I feel like I have the most common name in the world now.
Yeah.
So Prerna T68 again. Who's your YouTube inspiration? So I think as a baking channel, I love My Cupcake Addiction. I love Elise. So yeah, as a baking channel, it's her. But otherwise, what got me into YouTube was Superwoman. So and as of now, it's AIB.
So yeah, Superwoman is pretty general for all Indians, for everybody actually.
Yeah.
Everybody loves her. And Prerna's like the biggest AIB fan possible. So those are her inspirations, and I have a common one. I love Elise too from My Cupcake Addiction. She's amazing. And also when I started watching YouTube videos, it was pretty recent actually, and I used to watch cake decorating videos a lot, and it was on this channel called Yo-Yo Max 12. She's amazing. She makes amazing food. And she's the reason I started watching other cake decorating channels on YouTube. So yeah, she's my biggest inspiration. That's it.
Yep. So now we have Shruts Nair 94.
We assume your name is Shruti.
Yeah. Must be. Which are your favorite videos and the best memory of shooting? So I think you're gonna assume you're asking us favorite videos from our channel.
Because if you ask us generally, I have a lot of favorite videos.
Yeah.
So yeah, I
So,
can't really answer that very
Favorite
generally.
video I think would be the Coke Floor Cupcakes. As in, yeah. And the best memory of shooting.
Yeah, I guess it tasted pretty good.
Yeah. And the best memory of shooting would be from the Twix cookies because we had two of our friends over, Ritu and Devarkar, and it was fun shooting. And yeah, I guess that.
Yeah, my favorite memory was definitely the Twix cookies. If you haven't seen the video, please go watch it. Stay till the end. The last minute or so of the video is, in my opinion, hilarious. And
Then there's Pooja who asks us, what inspired you to start the channel and also what is your favorite recipe? So yeah, what inspired me was basically that we have a ton of cooking channels, like from Indian people having cooking channels, but I don't think there's even a single one.
actually, even cooking, there aren't that many. If you
There are
compare it
quite
to-
a few. I'm sure there are at least 10.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So yeah, there are quite a few. So there are none of baking, which I don't like. I love baking. but-
Literally, you will not find any other baking channel by Indians. It's just
Yeah, there are channels with Indians who have settled abroad and stuff.
yeah, but in India, like using ingredients you can find only here.
So yeah, so that's what kind of inspired and drove me towards it. Favorite recipe would be the caramelized white chocolate swirl brownies, definitely.
Yeah, it was the best thing we made. So my favorite recipe is also that, and my inspiration was Prerna because she was the one who had the idea. She just explained to you why she wanted to do this, and she just calls me up and goes like, "Hey, so I think we should start. I think I want to start a YouTube channel, and I need someone to be my partner. Are you interested?" And I was like, "Sure, let's do it. It'll be a nice way to pass the time." And now we actually love it, and we're like really dedicated to it. So
Yeah. So I guess that's about it. That's all the questions we have today. So thanks a lot for asking all the questions, guys.
but we have a bonus question which we just saw,
Sorry.
and the question is
From M. Midas. Hi, Devarkar. So, and the question is
the question is
how to bake.
that's the question. It's
We are not even
how
kidding.
to bake. Like, I'm not kidding you, that is his question. And I think it was like pretty random, but it was most entertaining question, definitely.
Devarkar is the guy who was there in the Twix Cookies video. He was a cameraman.
So I think
So, yeah, he's the one. So,
the answer
How
to
to
that
bake.
question
you have
is
to subscribe to our channel.
subscribe to our channel, watch all our videos, and you will be a pro baker.
Pro.
So do it. Just do it.
So, yeah, that's about all the questions we have today. And we had decided two winners. So,
Yeah.
one of them is Manal.
Yay! So she's asked us a lot of questions, and
Yeah, and she asked legit questions. So,
yeah, it seemed like she really wanted us to answer them, and so we just think that she deserves to be one of the winners.
So, one is Manal, and the second one is
Roshali, because she asked the question about lazy bakers, and I feel it. I feel you, Roshali. So I really wanted you to win. So yes, you're my pick for the second winner.
Yep.
So those are our winners, and to get the marks, just DM us on Instagram with all your details, or you can
Email us
Email
at bakelicious101@gmail.com. We'll get back to you.
yeah, everything, the information is in the description box, so just have a look at it. Please send us your details, and we will send you those amazing marks we showed you before.
We'll courier it, yeah.
Anyways, thanks a lot for watching and asking us questions, and continue watching and subscribe, like, comment, share, all those other things.
Bye and see you next
See
time.
you.